Palak Paneer is everyone's favorite and different people cook it using different spices and flavors. Also, paneer is high in protein which makes it a great choice for weight loss. Best way to sneak spinach in kids' diet. Palak Paneer can be extremely healthy dish due to the presence of palak in it. Spinach is an extremely healthy vegetable and is a rich source of vitamin A, C, calcium, iron, lutein, magnesium, potassium and fibre. Welcome back to Mom and Me Bombs. These are the ingredients we used for this recipe. Paneer is known as fresh Indian cheese. Homemade paneer will always be soft and creamy and true delight to eat. We start by blanching the spinach. Spinach does not take too long to blanch, so stay around when you do so. Heat the water in a pan and add fresh spinach leaves or baby spinach leaves into it and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Drain the excess water and allow it to cool and puree it and keep that aside. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe by clicking on the all notification bell to get all our upcoming videos. Have a bowl full of ice cubes or ice cold water. Put the blanched spinach directly into the ice cold water. This is essential to cease the cooking process and preserve the chlorophyll. In a simple sense, it is necessary to keep the blanched spinach green. Now puree this and keep this aside. Heat little ghee in a pan and saute the paneer cubes till it is light brown color. This should be done carefully. Remove the paneer cubes and keep that aside. Now into the pan add little oil and heat it and add cumin seeds to it. Let it splutter. Then add little cinnamon and 1 or 2 cloves. If you liked our recipe, please do not forget to hit the like button and share this with your friends and family. Add the chopped onions. Cook over medium heat until the onions are pink. Close this for few minutes. Add the ginger garlic paste and green chilies. For knowing the amount used, please check the description box below. Saute it for few minutes. Adding kasuri methi gives it a very good taste. Now into that add little turmeric powder, chili powder, garam masala powder and mix well. As said earlier, please check the description box to know the ingredients and the amount used. Let it cook, and if you like to eat really spicy, add little more chili to the tempering. Now add the fried paneer cubes. Mix this carefully. Add salt to taste. Keep it closed for few minutes. A small cube of butter. This point, add the spinach or palak puree which we kept aside. Into that you can add little more kasuri methi. Add little fresh cream. After mixing, close for few seconds. This dish is not a good option for people with high cholesterol. Palak Paneer is the ultimate and best known Indian spinach curry made with golden pan fried pieces of cheese or paneer. Palak Paneer is absolutely delicious and tastes amazing with roti, naan or basmati white rice. Kids do not eat veggies like palak, but when you combine it with paneer, they will simply love it. Cook a big bowl of palak paneer today and surprise your family members and kids. Serve this hot by adding 1 small cube of butter. Thank you. Please do keep supporting us.